Whoa, 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 whoa. You're shaking the whole of YouTube. Whoa, calm down, girl. Action. Someone do something. When does it start? Need some music. Go. Music now. We are messing around putting stickers on the car, ignoring the fact that we have to make a loom for the fuel pump. Yes, we have some wiring to do, and it is slightly confusing too. We do have maybe a few hours Saturday morning to do some real last minute stuff, but that's not how we want to run this race team. We want to try and get organised and sorted days in advance. he's already damaged the car and he hasn't even driven it yet.
I've spent my whole race career in last minute situations constantly, so it'd be nice to be just ready to go for one meeting, you know.
Yeah.
Last minute for me says something's going to get forgotten, something's going to be rushed and not done properly, and you're not going to be in the right frame of mind to go out in the car when you're panicking about something gone wrong in the car.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll try our absolute best to have this thing done today. If we manage to do a photo shoot out on the road later today, that means we've actually succeeded.
Yep.
If there's no photo shoot today, we're in trouble. Really, today we're looking at modifying the wiring. We've still got to do that. We've failed so far. But we have everything we need. It's the little loom that we're having to make to modify the fuel pump. I'm hoping it's going to work. It's got like its own little inline fuse. And then it's a pretty basic setup relay. So once I wire this in, I'm just hoping that this is going to work. Otherwise, if this don't work, we're not really sure what to do. We tried the easy way first, that failed. Now we're trying the hard way and we're hoping it's going to just do what it's supposed to do. Replace the inner on the throttle cable, but it works way better than it did before, but it's nowhere near as good for feedback. The driver is basically saying he wants it to be more responsive. I'm just trying to give him a decent throttle. I ended up adding a spring to the throttle bodies. It made the throttle a lot stronger and a lot more responsive. Bodywork and stickers, that's a huge time-consuming job. I'm really hoping to get that finished today. We need to run around the suspension and the setup and fill out a data sheet of the base setting that we're going to start with at the practice day. Nut and bolt check. This is the most important thing because everything I've worked on this car so far has been loose, and then I'm finding more loose things, then I'm finding things put in backwards or upside down because it's been thrown together and kept in a garage for 1.5 years. So we need to do a full nut and bolt check on everything. Oh, why is everything Brad does so noisy?
Oh no, I was just gonna ask.
He's a noisy fella. Seat and belts, Brad.
Yeah, I lost my other seatbelt, so I've ordered new clips for the belt, but yeah, then that can go in. That's hopefully they're pretty good turnaround. It's like 2 days, so we should have them pretty quick.
We've got a hose here. And an old water bottle. Can bleed the brakes. Organised tools and spares. It's slowly coming together. It's slowly getting there. We've got the toolbox up and running and all the tools that we think we're going to be running. So that's quite good. Stickers is with the bodywork. We're going to at least get the Q27s on the car because they have to be on the car for practice. Favourite Aussie sayings in the comments below. I'm going to start it off by saying cracking the shits is my favourite by far. Because I think that is hilarious. Okay, we're good. Right. A crankcase breather, you're going to Super Cheap later to pick up one. And you're going to pick up some more paint. Driver has to check his gear bag. And we need to put a strap over the engine for scrutineering, which is basically if you're in a big accident, the strap stops the engine from being ripped out of the chassis.
Only in Australia do people see this and not cry.
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Okay, start. Two, three, four. On the dot. Woo!
Yeah.
We sussed it. Smoko. Smoko means break time. Tea time. Tea and crumpets.
Leave me alone, I'm on smoke.
Yeah, we definitely need to make Brad the Lad a thing.
Yeah, Brad the lad. Yeah. Brad the lad.
How are you getting on in there?
Good. I'm just practicing my victory.
Yeah. Have you figured
Victory
out?
tour.
Have you figured out the pedals?
Yes.
So you're got your throttle
Yeah.
and then your brake as well.
Yeah. Surprisingly comfy.
Yeah. It's
To
quite a
be
lot.
honest. But I can't see anything. This is
Just see the
literally
top of the steering wheel.
what you can see. That's your view.
If you keep sweet talking him, you might end up having a go in it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
No, I am part of the team after all.
If you drive this car, I'm going to tell your mum and she's going to be mad at you.
Well, my mum's in a whole other country, halfway across the world. So, why do you think I moved here? I can't get in trouble anymore.
But now the wiring and the sticky throttle is taken care of, we can start riveting the bodywork back together.
Are you fucking joking me?
If it was me, I'd want like a disco ball, you know?
Oh, we get some fluffy dice.
Yes, great idea.
400 and something days clean of racing. Until he met me and my welder. And then it all changed.
You got parried.
It got parried.
I know the feeling. I've been parried.
That's a different kind of parry. I haven't experienced that yet. He's the fourth Parry brother.
Yeah.
Down under. Got a question for you, Brad.
Yo.
Where are these stickers? Some of them have started going on, but we are missing a majority of them. So I'm hoping Brad can find them and then we can get this car out on the street and take some photos of it. You gotta laugh, otherwise we'll go crazy.
I know.
We honestly have made miracles happen today.
Yeah.
And we had stickers made from a very long time ago, and it's the only thing holding us back from a photo shoot. And that was the goal of the day.
Yeah.
And we're so close. The thing runs, everything's good.
Yeah.
We found the stickers. They're going on.